Go.
The wealth of Jello, the all na pa.
We are today. It's July 1st. We are walking towards the parade, which ended. We are walking towards the fireworks and booths and food and stuff. And then we're gonna enjoy ourselves. We're gonna have some games and fun time and frisbee time, foosball, soccer. We're gonna play football.
Holy crap, a goose!
Action shot! Action shot!
So for the audience.
Ow! What was that?
It's super dark, RK.
Cringe.
RK, it's super dark.
Yeah, you won't be able to see it, man.
Oh my god, it's like July 4th is Christmas.
Back demon.
So I'm sure that was a very incomplete vlog, but I'm just gonna end it right now. Thank you for watching and have a good whatever. Wow. Do it again.
One, go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God,
We'll run to the future.